Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2012 Hyundai Sonata with the hybrid system, and we're going to go over how you would disconnect the negative battery cable in case you need to disconnect it for any reason of why you're doing work on it. Because if you disconnect the negative battery cable on this vehicle or any vehicle, it powers down and you won't electrocute yourself. And then this vehicle also, it turns off the hybrid system so that the hybrid system won't start up automatically and you won't get So we're around the back because the 12-volt battery is in the trunk on this one. So we're going to pop this up, and you're going to see right here is the hybrid system or the hybrid battery. That's nothing that we're going to be able to touch unless you are trained and certified to work in that field. So on the right hand side of the trunk is where the hybrid, or where the 12-volt battery is. You just got to pull this cover back and remove that, and then you'll be able to remove this the negative connection right here. You just need a 10 millimeter to be able to loosen, and then once you get that loose, then you can be able to pop the negative battery off. And that's how you would undo your negative connection to be able to do work on the vehicle and not electrocute yourself. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.